Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, I will guide you on how to locate the center of a circle. Steps to locate the center of a circle. First, draw a circle. Next, draw any two straight lines across the circle. Each line must touch the circle at 2 points. These lines are called chords. Now, take the first chord. Open your compass to more than half the length of the chord. Place the compass at one end of the chord and draw 2 arcs, one above and one below the chord. Without changing the width of the compass, place it at the other end of the chord and draw 2 more arcs to intersect the first pair. Repeat the same process on the second chord. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. With the help of your ruler and pencil, draw a straight line through the points where the arcs intersect, as shown. These 2 lines are called the perpendicular bisectors of the chords. The point where the 2 perpendicular bisectors intersect is the center of the circle. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.